start. 1,75,000 cases are pending in the Supreme Court alone as on December ending this year. Stop. 14,39,000 cases are pending in the various high courts. Stop. And if you complete the present sanctioned strength of judges in the Supreme Court and the high courts, and if they refuse to entertain any future petitions, they will take 15 years to dispose of all these original pending cases. Stop. That is, you stop the in gate and open the out gate. Do not receive any further petitions for 15 years to come. Stop. The judiciary can say that for 15 years no new petition will be accepted or entertained. Stop. Even if they do not, that it will take 15 years for them to clear all the cases pending now. Stop. In Allahabad High Court alone, there are 5 lakh cases pending. Stop. To meet this situation, one of the things thought of was to increase the number of judges. Stop. To increase the number of judges, we have passed a legislation with much fanfare, giving top priority, even pushing behind other items of legislation on the agenda of the House. Stop. The Business Advisory Committee was asked to give priority to this legislation, which proposed increasing the number of judges of the Supreme Court from 18 to 26. Stop. But what is the result? Stop. Till recently, the number of judges in the Supreme Court after increasing its strength to 26 was not even the original component. Stop. It was just 15. Stop. Having said that strength of 18 would not be sufficient, you sought priority for this legislation and increased the strength from 18 to 26. Stop. Paragraph. But for 11 years after that, even the original quota was not there. Stop. Here a word about the appointment of judges, etc. Stop. The Honorable Minister said in Rajya Sabha from 3 months back that very soon 4 judges for the Supreme Court would be appointed. Stop. I was present there when he said it, and so he won't contradict it. Stop. Sir, there is a convention and I will tell you what it is. Stop. In Andhra Pradesh, there is High Court. Stop. Andhra Pradesh is a fairly big state with 42 members in the Lok Sabha and 18 members in the Rajya Sabha, altogether 60 members of parliament, and it is one of the big states. Stop. When there was one judge from the Andhra Pradesh High Court sitting in the Supreme Court, they used to say, let him retire and then we will appoint another judge. Stop. There is only one exception in the case of one person in these last 40 or 50 years, when a second man was appointed for 1 year as judge of the court. Stop.